If you reckon all crypto exchanges are the same, you clearly haven't seen this yet. Picture a platform that not only cuts your fees, but also gives you the power to govern the ecosystem and spend your crypto just like cash. The game has changed. Hi everyone, my name's Dion and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how all of this is possible with CZR Exchange. So without further ado, let's dive straight into today's video. Alright everyone, as you can see, I'm now on the official website of CZR Exchange, so please make sure you go to czrexchange.com. I just want to make sure you visit the official website and not any other. So I'm going to walk you through their website and talk about why they're genuinely so good and game-changing for crypto. First off, as you can see right here, it says transact globally and settle instantly, and I'll be explaining exactly what this means and why. This is actually really impressive. So first of all, CZR Exchange is your all-in-one command center for crypto. So this is where you'll be able to do everything related to crypto. And the new feature they've introduced is that all transactions will be available globally, which is what this refers to here. All transactions will now be available globally, which is a huge advantage if you're trading crypto. All right, everyone. And with these global transactions and quick settlements, they're also offering very low fees. So that means it's really beneficial because every time you trade, you'll be keeping more of the profit for yourself and handing over less of it everyone. So as you can see right here, you can buy Krypton. There's the market where you can trade, whether it's spot margin or spot grid, copy trading, convert. You've got your futures where you can use futures grid, do futures copy trading, take part in futures trading competitions, access your rewards hub and much more. And they've recently released a new UI upgrade on the 6th of February, which will make the dashboard smoother and even more optimized for trading with crypto and having everything done here on CZR Exchange because everything is now global and this is your all-in-one command center. So this new update coming on the 6th of February isn't just a system update or a facelift, it's an entirely new system. And it's designed for those advanced traders. And it'll be able to give you that extra edge where you traded. So low fees, an all-in-one command center, and it'll give you that extra edge with this new update. Alright guys, and they've also launched a new token called the CZR token. And this token isn't just for speculation. If you hold this token, you'll be able to unlock governance rights, high staking rewards and more, and even deeper discounts. Guys, this token is positioned for a significant amount of growth, but the important thing is that you need to get in early, because positioning is everything when it comes to making money with the CZR token. Hi guys, and another great thing is, if I scroll down here, you can see that they'll soon have a CZR card. So you can use that card. You'll be able to exchange your crypto and use it in the real world where you can actually pay with this crypto card. It's a debit card, and you'll be able to exchange your crypto into real money and use it any way you like. So you can just spend directly from your crypto wallet in a convenient pay. And this is a premium design that will connect directly to your loans, where you can actually earn points as well. And this just helps to make crypto so much more useful in the real world and in your everyday life. Stop overpaying for trades. Click the link below to sign up for CZR and lock in those low fees. Be ready for the CZR token launch and your portfolio will thank you. Thank you so much for watching today's video, everyone. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Turn on that bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until next time, cheers.